So let's find this side right here. Let's call this C. Okay. Opposite hypotenuse. You okay with that? Opposite hypotenuse. So it's a sine of 34 is equal to the opposite, which is 5 over C. Okay, slide it down. How do I solve for C? I will divide, but bring it up, yeah, and then I'll bring the other down. So if I bring the C up here, I'll bring the sine down. So if C is equal to 5 divided by sine of 34, 5 divided by sine 34, and I get an answer about 8.9, okay? And I'll put the 8.9 on both sides, right? So the perimeter, we can do the perimeter pretty easily, right? Perimeter is just 8.9 plus 8.9 plus 10, right? So 8.9 times 2 plus 10, about 27.8. Okay, how am I doing? Now, area. So there's two ways to do area, but there's a really easy way. Let's do the easy way, okay? We have a formula that is for area. It's the 1/2 adjacent times adjacent times the sine of the angle. Okay, that's the easy way. Otherwise, we'd have to find this height and do base times height divided by 2, right? It's so much easier because we can go area 1/2 8.9 times 8.9 times the sine of 68, right? So, hi. Yeah, hold on, Anna. 0.5 times, should be over there, the review should be over there by James. 8.9 times the sine of 68 degrees, and I get about 36.7, and that'd be in terms of probably, is it centimeters? Did you find it, Anna? Okay, I will record it, okay? Okay, good. You're good to go? Yeah, okay. Yeah. How am I doing? Is that easy?
Yes.
Okay. All right. 19. How am I doing? Am I scooted up? 19. There you go. Okay, 19. A 5-foot boy sights the top of a tree at an angle of elevation of 70. If he is 25 feet from the tree, what is the height of the tree? Okay, here's my little boy. Right? Give him a pair of shorts. That's it. That's my art right there. Yep. Here's my tree. Right? That's a really bad drawing because that is not 70, but use your imagination, okay? If I say it's 70, it's 70, okay? He's 25 feet from the tree, and we want to find the height of the tree. Okay, now, go ahead and draw that picture. And what we're going to keep in mind is that the angle is 5 feet suspended up, right? The triangle I just drew, this triangle is really 5 feet suspended up, right? So when we find the value of t from the triangle, we're just going to add in the 5, okay? So the triangle itself is 5 feet suspended, right? So when we find the answer, we're just going to add 5 feet to it. Okay, so this 25 is also here, right? It's just directly up. So opposite, adjacent, tangent. Tan of 70 is equal to t over 25, right? Yeah, because this 25 is also the 25. Now you're asking good questions, okay? Multiply up to 25, right? Okay, and just use our calculator. 25, tan, 70, and I can answer about 68.7 for the height. So 68.7 feet, but we've got to add in the 5 degree. Add in the 5. Definitely add in the 5 plus 5, and I get an answer of 73.7 feet. Okay, that's not bad, is it? Right? Okay, we're almost done. 20, last but not least, and I will not do the extra, I'll let you think about it, okay? So at least you know it's the extra. So Zane, Nathan, telling you what the extra is. They will be different numbers. I will give you a hint. Circles. Partial circles. Not full circles, partial circles, okay? Nope, oh, my bad. Sorry, man. Yeah. Okay, last but not least, a submarine takes a dive that is at a rate. So even though it's not going to be in terms of lengths, rates, it's still going to be a triangle, okay? So here's my submarine. How's that for a submarine? There's my little periscope. Okay. Ocean floor. Takes a dive, right? It's taking a dive. So at a rate of 2,000 meters per minute vertically down. Okay, vertically down. That means he's going down 2,000 for every 13,000 feet horizontal. Okay, does that make sense? For as he's moving at this course, he's moving at that rate. He's moving at a rate is 2,000 per every 13,000. Right? That's how he's moving. Okay, does that make sense? So then what we want to do is find the angle of depression. That's easy. That's theta, right? That would be the opposite. That's the adjacent. Opposite adjacent. Tangent. Tangent theta. Opposite over adjacent. Right? I'm going to make this easy on myself because I can do this. I'm smart. Right? Make it easy. Cancel all those zeros, right? So what is tan inverse of 2 over 13, right? I don't know. Tan inverse of 2 divided by 13. It's about 8.7 degrees, right? Okay, that's all I have for you, right?